knife, it's long knife like Kulmama knife, like Dagan knife, Gorade, it's named Gorade, like his enemy, his anger, his skeleton, is correct, muted, die. And the stick knife is long, stick knife is sharp, this two side sharp, is straw or wurwur, is the bit is muted, die is enemy. You don't know Ethiopian history? Ethiopian history, you don't know? No. You read. You ask somebody this one, Ethiopian, what kind is Ethiopian people? Ethiopian people is strong. Ethiopian people is good people, but is coming, this enemy is coming, is fight, is die, is enemy. Ethiopian people is strong. Is before strong, is now strong. Why you go Ethiopian is በኢትዮጵያ መንግስት በኢትዮጵያ ሀገር ውስጥ ለምንድን ነው ጣልቃ የሚገቡብን? አይገቡብን። በአሜሪካ በአፍሪካ በኢትዮጵያ ጣልቃ ለምን ይገባሉ?